Welcome to ATP Customs. Well, today is Friday, December 4th, so this is your Monday morning video. Thought I'd give you a quick update on how close this thing is, because it runs now. I can actually fire it up for you in this video. I have installed the Trailmaster 2-inch traction bar lift. That is a 2-inch bar that goes underneath your leaf springs. And the reason I needed those on my original truck, now I bought this set 20 years ago and I've used them on 3 trucks now. And the purpose for them was because when I would hit the brakes, right where the diff and the pinion and the drive shaft meet, everything would head south and head for the ground like it was going to snap the drive shaft right off, because I was getting so much flex in the spring when I would hit the brakes. So that wasn't working for me, and those solve that problem. So when you're going, the problem with them is if you're going four-wheeling, going over anything sideways and you're twisting your truck, those things slap the spring so hard it's almost horrifying. So they're clearly not for twisting your vehicle up, but for what I'm doing street use, they're going to be just fine. So we officially have 9 inches of lift in the rear, and I still have to do the fronts Monday morning. While you guys are watching the video, we'll be installing those, and we'll have a 9-inch lift and can fit 40s on this thing finally. I think I have about 10 bolts I got to deal with to swap the leaf springs out, so that's not a big deal. I may have to extend a brake line or two, or build brackets just to come out of the frame a little bit more. I'm not sure if I'm going to need a steering arm because I have a 4-inch lift and I cannot remember what steering arm is in this thing. Do I need a new one or not? Hopefully not. I do have to extend possibly my drive shaft, because now I only have about 1 inch of the top of the drive shaft going into the transfer case, so there's only about 1 inch of spline hanging on with all this lift. So I'm probably going to have that lengthened now. Oh, and I got to have U-bolts made because I didn't have the correct U-bolts laying around. But that is a 9-inch lift now. Oh, I love it. Looks awesome. Let me just unplug the microphone so you can hear it properly. When I did just put a new starter in it and haven't shimmed it correctly. What a difference it made by going from propane to gasoline. It's all buttoned up now. I still haven't dealt with that. But Monday afternoon, my friend Doug is coming to tune this thing so we can get this 100% right. Right now it's choking a little bit when you get into it, but I did take it for a test spin today, and holy crap, what a difference. I'm talking night and day. It feels like it has at least 100 more horsepower. It's just awesome to drive now. But, you know, when you're only running 450 CFM on a built motor, I can't blame the propane's fault. It just didn't have enough air and fuel going into it. But now it doesn't stink. I can roll my back window down and I don't have all that god-awful propane smell coming in the back window. It seems like it cleaned up a lot. My goodness, the cam and all the sounds of this thing have actually improved. The actual exhaust tone changed. I wasn't sure what was going to happen. I've never done this before. But everything about it was a plus. I do not regret a single thing. Propane, see you later, not interested. So that means that I'm getting close to having to take on that electric tricycle that I was supposed to race. Mitch, you're going down, Mitch. I'm coming for you. I'm pretty sure I can take them now. I don't think I would have before. That electric tricycle is fast. But I think I got a chance now. And yes, still have to deal with the master cylinder. It has been painted. So there you go. That is a quick update on the Jimmy. Be driving around shortly. Probably hopefully testing it Monday afternoon. And we have the paint has arrived for the Mustang race car. So as soon as we're done the Jimmy, we're going to drag that thing out of here. get that thing in paint, because the hot rod black we're using apparently takes a bit to dry. So we need a little time, and we need that out of the way, and we need that out of the way because the jet boat's coming in next. Now that the Jimmy is at this level, and all it will need is a set of 40s when I'm done, and you know, awesome new Fox shocks maybe, we need to get the jet boat in here so it's ready for March. So that gets painted, then you're going to see the jet boat, metal flake and candy and all that kind of stuff. So thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe.